You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French name, pronunciation. A fragrance maker, a perfumer, parfumeur as we say in French. French perfume brand, fragrance brand. Frédéric Malle is how it's said in French in France. For more names from luxury, fashion, cosmetics, make sure to stay tuned at beauty. Frédéric Malle, you could say in English as Frédéric Malle. Frédéric Malle. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.